What bears the weight of our existence? But complains only when we don't feed it. Hey, what's up people? This is Bijon and welcome to my channel WhizMonk. Every day you get out of your car to go somewhere. Stand in the long queue at a supermarket or go up and down your home finishing your chores. What is common? You engage your quad muscles that runs along the front of your thigh from your knee to your pelvis and is necessary for knee functions. What happens when you don't take care of your quads? You reduce your knee's ability to flex itself and risk knee cartilage loss, the primary trait of knee osteoarthritis. Today I'm going to whiz away your mind on how to strengthen your quad muscles and also reduce the risk of knee osteoarthritis. Right exercise in the right amount will strengthen your quad muscles and also boost your knee functions. But please note, if you are suffering from lower back pain or knee pain, then you need to consult with doctor prior to this exercise, which I am going to show it to you all. So now come with me to my gym and see how I keep my knees happy and strong. Squat press. The squat press involves both squat and the push press in a single motion. This increases strength of motion, flexibility, balance, and overall psychomotor skills. The squat press can be performed with either two dumbbells or use kettlebells. Position the dumbbells around shoulder height, palms facing forward, keeping your chest up. Lower yourself into a squat. Bend your knees until your thighs are parallel to the ground. As you stand up, push the dumbbells overhead, keeping them in front of your ears. Hack squat. Hack squat exercises the entire lower body. The angle machine positions you in a standing position, safely supporting the weight while you rely on your legs to drive the movement. Hack squats remove the stability factor, which is important in regular squats. An incorrect squat position can actually put pressure on your knees rather than your thighs and glutes. This exercise is done using a leg extension machine, where you sit on a chair and lift a weight bar using your quad muscles. You contract the quad to bring your knees up against the weighted resistance. This isolates the quad alone and therefore strengthens key attachments for the knee joint. This is a very good option for beginners, as you need not worry about form and posture since it is machine assisted. Now we'll begin with walking lunge. Walking lunge is an exercise where you walk forward by lunging out with the other leg. This exercise provides equal activation of quads and hamstrings muscles, building balance between them and decreases risk of injury for your knee and lower back. Now let's begin with bodyweight squats. This exercise involves major muscle groups and helps improve your balance and coordination, along with developing mobility in your hips, ankles, and knees. But remember to engage your core, keep your heels flat on the ground, and don't let your knees cave inward. Next, repeat walking lunges. This exercise requires more balance and coordination and increases lower body stability. If you're a beginner, start with the static lunge until you have the correct form and then move on to this. and the much awaited the WhizFul tip. My dear friends, feed your knee to keep it lubricated. With age and excess weight, the cartilage around our knees tends to wear down, leading our bones to rub together. This is painful and definitely not good for our joints. Eat food rich in omega-3 fatty acids. The list includes salmon, mackerel, olive oil, avocado, chia seeds, walnuts, and almonds. Eat whichever of this is available and suitable for your diet. This is definitely going to improve the health of your joint and also improve the quality of your hair. To know how omega-3 can help your hair growth, go and watch my video on 5 vitamins from daily foods for faster hair growth and thicker hair. Link in the description below. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me today on how to strengthen your quad muscles and also reduce the risk of knee osteoarthritis. So if you really like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel WhizMonk. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more interesting tips and tricks for that buzzingly blissful life which I promised you. So until next week, adios amigos, signing off your WhizMonk.